everyone, welcome to Jnanalearning Super Speaker video series. Here I am sharing a short and simple speech on Christmas. Respected teachers and dear friends, it's my pleasure to deliver a speech about Christmas. Let me start with the story of Christmas. It was a clear and starry night. The stars were extraordinary, and one star was brighter than the other. That was the star of Bethlehem shone over the barn where infant Jesus was born. Yes, it's on December 25th. Infant Jesus was born in Bethlehem in a barn as the son of Joseph and Mary. The sheep shepherds and angels were around him. All over the world, people celebrate this day as Christmas with great joy and enthusiasm. Houses decorated with Christmas stars and lights are a sign of arrival of Christmas season. At home, people make variety of dishes, especially cake and wine. Christmas tree is decorated and gifts were hung on it. Special prayers will be held at churches. The message of Christmas is peace and joy for all. Christmas Papa visits everyone giving the Christmas message. Carol groups sing beautiful songs praising Jesus Christ. Let's celebrate this Christmas and spread the message of peace and joy. Wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you.